Gucci people? It's your boy Chef Boy Easy, aka UvG Hardcore. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make basically a UvG shirt. Basically, I use this method I'm about to be doing right now just for small quantities. I do screen printing for larger ones, but I bust out some new shirts right now for UvG. We're gonna be wearing these for the holidays. We're gonna do the IRL and everything. And also, I'm doing shirts for smaller teams, bigger teams, other companies. This is my established business already, but I'm taking it to YouTube. If anybody need anything printed for your team, it could be from 1 shirt to 1,000 shirts. You just let me know, and I'm about to show y'all the method of how to making that shirt. And let's keep it Gucci, baby. All right, people. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm setting up the printer. For this is actually a Roland GX24 is the cutter, the printer, to cut out the material. So I asked me for the size. I'm gonna tell them I got a piece in there. It's gonna load it up. It's gonna load it all up. I'm gonna have to move this to the side. So I'm gonna take all the material and run it through just to see how much material it got total. Then it's gonna put it back up in the machine. It's gonna tell me my width. If you look on the screen, it'll tell you my width and everything. I scoot it over just a little bit so you can see. There we go. And it's telling us our width is 313 and our length is undetectable. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna send the design over to the Roland GX24 and we're gonna cut it off. Alright, and it's done. You probably can't see it on there yet, but it's right here. Got my logo at the top. What you want to do is you want to scroll it down until you get in cutting range, and my logo is right there. So you want to do just a little bit more. Make sure safe side. That's good enough. So then I'm gonna come over here. I was gonna grab my knife, but I got my razor blade. Then I could just send this back, unset it up so this goes back to the original position. Take my razor blade on the sharp side, and you just cut. By y'all, straight line, baby. And this is it. It's on there. You probably can't. There you go. You can see it. All right, this part of the method is called weeding. And basically, what you want to do is you want to just peel back the material. And I got something underneath it so it doesn't scratch the table. So I'm just gonna take and cut a little bit of the excess stuff off of it, just so it's like that. Then you can take this right here. And it's called a weeder. You stick it underneath it there, just like this. And you just pull back. And sometimes it could get kind of like, you know, hectic when you're pulling this off. But it always, you gotta cut it at a certain degree on the blade. And it should come right off. And I'm gonna show y'all. I kind of do mine long ways too. You can do yours either way you want. But we're gonna put this in fast mode. And this is a finished UvG shirt. Let me make sure y'all can see it good. And this is what it looks like once you finish with it. By y'all, fire, with my logo, ambitious design. And I'm about to go ahead and show y'all how to do it now. Gucci. Alright, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna load the shirt on there backwards onto the machine just like this. Put your sleeve up, you hear me? Got it just like that, make sure everything even. That side's even, this side's even. Then you wanna take your machine, you wanna bring it over here. This is a swing away. You can actually take it and bring it back into that position. You can load your shirt on just like this. And as the heat presses on 364 degrees, I'm gonna have it on there for 5 seconds just so I can get my shirt flat, which would be like that. All the wrinkles will be out of it. Now I pull it just like this. And that bad boy shining. Let me make sure everything good on it. Make sure the level on the shirt is correct. All right. And then what I'm gonna do is I got my material on there. As you see, I printed my material backwards on there. So this is what it does. Put it maybe a little bit below the neck. I got it probably about 2 to 3 inches below the neck. It's on the shirt. Make sure everything is straight on there. And then you're gonna push the material in there, just like this, for 15 seconds. And I got a timer on here, so after 15 seconds, it's gonna make a beeping noise. And you can get to pull it off, and then you pull your material off. Then I'm gonna do the back side too. So it's at 6 seconds now. Like I said, my company is Ambitious Design. I'm gonna have a link in the YouTube. Click it, check it out, subscribe, and if you want anything printed, just let me know. And as you see it just like that, let me put the camera directly on it so you all can see it. It's on the shirt, and what I do now is I do a hot peel. I peel it right off just like this. And you see everything? Got the material off, and it's on the shirt. So now I'm gonna take it off. Look, I hit the camera. Take it off, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the shirt. Clean, fresh, good material. And also at 200 subscribers on my personal channel, which will be Ambitious Design, for all my graphic needs and all y'all graphic needs. Basically, if you need t-shirts, remember to subscribe to that. And I'm trying to think about a giveaway at 200 subscribers. I'm thinking about giving away 2 free shirts, maybe some more decals, and I might be able to give away like a Call of Duty game or something like that, or maybe a fire watch. You never know. So like I said, y'all subscribe to. If y'all need any shirt orders, y'all contact me. It could be from the lowest is 1 shirt all the way to 1,000 shirts. It could be thousands. Like I said, all you do is gotta contact me. I also do screen printing, banner, decals, anything you name it. Until then, stay around. This your boy Hustle, Gucci. A bit more visible, but this is what the final product look like. You see it's real clean on there. And also this one right here is kind of wrinkled, but you see how beautiful it is on there. Real good material. And like I said, y'all, hit me up if y'all need anything, as in like t-shirts. I do banners, flyers, anything you need. But my particular things I'm doing right now is shirts. So y'all get at me. Until then, keep it Gucci, baby.